Hey, got some big news. All right, here we go. Step curl, step curl, step curl, jog, walk it out. Let's do it again. Step curl, jog, walk it out. How's it sound? Step curl, jog, walk it out. One more time, step curl, single, single, double. Yeah, 4 more. 4.
Gonna mix things up. Woo! All right, we're getting down low. Let's do fast feet. Woo! Hopping it up and back. Of course, you can just step it up and then take it up and back. Let's go fast feet. Hopping it up and back.
We're gonna try a new move. After our step curl, step curl, step curl. All right, one more. We're gonna turn in a circle and pump it, pump it. Yeah, we are. We're doing it. Oh, oh, oh. We're here for 4. Boom. 3. Yeah. 2. And 1. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Let's be a cowboy. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. 4. I really don't have moves. That's okay. Let's do fast feet. Hop it up and back. I hope that you have more confidence when you see me more times. And this is over. Cardio, it ain't hardio. Hey-o. Am I right? I said, am I right? I can't hear you. Get it? Okay. We did it. How's it sound? I'm so excited. Let's be a robot. 2, 1, here we go. Oh, let's try this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One more. Let's fly. Boom. Circle. Yes. Warrior 3. Yes. Yeah. Am I ever? Yes.
All right, thanks so much for being here, you guys. Have an amazing Saturday.